Okay, I took the Vespa out from the shop. Temperature says 40 degrees. I think outside it's a whopping 38 degrees. So that be considered a cold start, I would think. Again, it's got that smart carb in there. I haven't done any adjustments. That's how it came with. It's open. Fired up without the choke. Yeah. To choke it, it's not hooked up to the front choke, so you gotta open that thing. The choke lever's right down there. But I mean, it's fired up at 40 degrees already. Let it warm up for a couple minutes.